perhaps the most important question we have ever asked. And possibly the most difficult to answer. Trees, as we know, produce oxygen. Birds and insects pollinate the plants that feed us. We know that some animals need plants to survive, and some animals need animals. But why are we here? Giant whales couldn't survive without tiny plankton. Giant redwoods couldn't survive without insects. But could life on this planet survive without us? What is our purpose? Why are we here? Maybe it's because of all the species that share this world. We're the only one with the power to protect the entire planet. The only one with the power to protect every species on Earth, including ourselves. Every species is here for a purpose, and each of us has a part to play.